Hey, Jax.
Hi. Hello family and friends. This time I'm going to show you the cicadas. This year, a group of cicadas known as Broad X is expected to appear in the District of Columbia and parts of these 15 states: Delaware, Georgia, Illinois, Indiana, Kentucky, Maryland, Michigan, New Jersey, New York, North Carolina, Ohio, Pennsylvania, Tennessee, Virginia, and West Virginia. They have a lifespan of 4 weeks, depending on the weather. Since the cicadas usually start emerging around early to mid-May, they should start to die off by late June or early July. Cicadas start their lives as eggs. Females lay 200 to 400 eggs in tiny holes that they make in the branches of trees and shrubs. After 6 to 10 weeks, cicada young called nymphs hatch from the eggs and immediately fall to the ground. According to the study, cicadas live underground as nymphs for most of their lives at depths down to about 2.5 meters or 8 feet. Cicadas are one of a group of sound-producing insects that have 2 pairs of membranous wings, prominent compound eyes, and 3 simple eyes. Cicadas are medium to large in size, ranging from 2 to 5 centimeters. Cicadas, specifically Broad X cicadas, come every 17 years and they are expected to emerge across 15 states. Cicadas are mostly harmless and beneficial. They prune mature trees, aerate the soil, and once they die, their bodies serve as an important source of nitrogen for growing. After the long 2 to 17 years, cicadas emerge from the ground as nymphs. Nymphs climb the nearest available plant and begin to shed their nymph exoskeleton. Adult cicadas, also called imagos, spend their time in trees looking for a mate. Again, cicadas are harmless. People tend to worry that they will bite, but they don't have the mouth parts to do that.
Jax, what do you got there?
Cicada.
What's his name?
Cicada.
Oh, he likes you.
I have tattoo. Cicada tattoo.
Very good. Tell him to come see you when he comes back.
17 years again.
Yeah, this is how I wanted our yard to be. That's how it was last time.
Yeah. That's a lot. That's so noisy. Broad X Cicada. I'll see you in the next 17 years. Thank you all for watching. Please hit like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.
Okay, we have to go on Grandview Avenue to Georgia. Look, see? Georgia Avenue.
Use the left lane to turn left on Grandview Avenue.
Yeah, see, it says no left turn, no U-turn over there. So you have to go this way.